What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Hey, Kush. yeah, dude, I have milked that thumb, dude. That's funny, April. It's true. These are shooting stars, dude. I wish I was better at art. That does not look good. Maybe if increase the brightness a little bit, get some purple in there. Yeah, it's looking much nicer now. What am I missing? Oh, I'm missing that weird purple. Yeah. I feel like this is probably the worst one I've ever made of these. It's just gonna... Thank you, April. I needed that. Dude, so everybody, seems like a lot of people got their tickets today. What's up, Bob? Dude, no problem, Tina. Whatever you need, I got you. Okay. So it's the, let's see. You're taking it this week? Nice. Yeah. So dudes, a lot of people already got their tickets. If you didn't get your tickets, apparently you can get them on the My School website. Don't quote me on that, but apparently you can. Yeah. Oh, you guys didn't get your ticket? Okay, yeah. So Ahmed is saying it's on My Schools. Oh, they took it down? They can't do anything right. Is Bronx harder to get into or York? In my experience, it seems Bronx is harder to get into. Yeah. How does the fact that questions are with different points because it's a curve plane normalizing the curve, which are why harder tests are better? That's a good question, April. So it's not about questions being worth more or less. It's about the percentage right that you're getting. If you get 93% of the questions right, and then you get one more question, raising your percentage correct to 95%, then that would mean that you gained like 10 or 12 points with that one question. Whereas if your percentage right is 50% and you manage to get one more question, that last question is probably that you got right is probably only going to be worth 3 or 4 points. Yeah. All right. So enough for the intro music. I think everyone's here. You have to like, excuse me. My voice is like really weird today. But what's up, everybody? You guys have a week until your SHSAT. So what to do? The best thing to do to help your nerves, to help your anxiety, whatever you're experiencing, or apathy, whatever it is, the best way to fight that is by studying. And so we're going to be studying today. Yeah, let me just cough 1 second. Dude, I'm dying, guys. It's happening. I'm dying. But I was able to teach you guys the SHSAT before I died. That's all that matters. That Saturday is easier. Yeah, that's just a myth. Yeah. Dude, there are new people. So welcome to everybody who's new to the stream. Today, we're going to be studying some ELA, reading comprehension, and then we're going to be going into math. So generally, I like doing the reading comprehension first. So we're going to do that. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, cool. So I figure we should actually get into it. We should actually yeah, I think people did get their ticket, Macau. Some people did. It should be on My Schools, but they had some problems today. You failed your physics shot? Dude, what happened? 9.81 meters a second square, bro. Reading strategies that will improve your reading comprehension? Yeah, Jasmine. make sure you comprehend the passage. I know a lot of people like to skim or read quickly and then go back and answer the questions, and that works for like informational passages. Like if it's a passage about honeybees and how they make honey, then you probably can go back and be like, oh, which is the section where they talk about collecting the pollen? Then it'd be easy. But I mean, with narrative passages and poems, you can't go back and check as easily. So for those, I super recommend that you comprehend the reading. Okay, cool. So guys, I think we're ready to get started on this one. So I have some reading comp for you. I made it as big as I can, but the text is also a little small. So here it is. Bang. This is the passage. Okay. So guys, I'm going to give you like 3 minutes to read this or whatever, and then we'll head into these questions here. So, yeah, just put done in the comments when you're done reading it. So let's get it. Oh, thanks, Tina. I teach Joe Mama. Is that what you're asking, Red One? Dude, Paul, that's great. The curves are for individual sections, OSAS. Yeah, Red One, I teach Joe Mama. That's the person's name. Joe, first name, last name Mama. Alright guys, about a minute and a half to continue reading. Yeah, that's true, Rachel, back in the summer. Alright, bros. I'm gonna throw the question on the stream. You can throw your answers into the chat, or in the upper right corner, there's a little I button. Hit that and throw your answers into the poll. Great. Thanks, Fuse. I see you, Wiz. Yeah, get the squad a nooch. Yeah, that's the rumor, at least, Anisha. The Saturday's easier. Yeah, those are fun, Rachel, but, you know, I told you guys the week before the test, it's gonna be crazy. Thanks, Art. Okay, so we're getting some answers here. Throw them into the chat, or you can put them in the poll in the upper right corner. Okay, a lot of people. Interesting, okay. Alright, bros. That's question number 1. Okay, so let's go to... how am I gonna do this? I did not set this I did not set this up properly. Hold on. Okay. Alright, here's number 2. Alright, question number 2. Let's get it. We'll go over the answers to all of these at the end of the question set. Yeah, you do have 3 hours to do it. Cool, what's up, Patel? Okay. Okay, we're getting some answers in for number 2. Okay. Yeah, dude, I missed the static, Zach. Yeah, that was fun. Those were fun times. Bob, I just got your email. Thanks, man. Okay, cool. So let's go on to number 3. Number 3, let's get it. Oh, let me get rid of this out of here. Okay, cool. Number 3. Go ahead and throw your answer up into the poll if you'd like, or you can drop it into the chat. If you can't retain the information, then you will need to go back and check it, dude. I don't know. I think my mic just stopped making static. I don't know. Oh, that's okay, Ahmed. I'm going to be streaming afterwards. I'm going to be doing SAT work. Okay, so we got some answers coming in here. Go ahead and throw your answer up into the poll. I wish the static came back. That's a good practice test. Oh, that's the end of that song. Oh, that's really loud. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So that was number 3. Let's go into number 4. Yeah. Okay. Here is. Oh gosh. All right. Here's number 4. Let's get it. And I notice I didn't put a question mark at the end of this question, but I was getting ready for the stream, dude. This is a busy week for me, okay? Thanks, Tina. April, yes, it's necessary. Just a fanboy by itself doesn't do it. What's up, Ethan? Yeah, I think we're gonna do one more OG, Rachel. Very interesting, Kira. Okay, so a lot of answers to this question 4. Throw them into the chat, or you can throw them into the poll. That helps me a lot if you put them in the poll. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, see you soon. All right, cool. So that is question 4. All right, last question, guys, in this passage, and then we will go over the answers. 5. How do you pick one? Oh man, that's tough. The poll is that I button in the upper right corner of the screen. But if you're on mobile, don't worry about it. That's what's up, Wiz. One more week of studying. You're gonna be glad you worked hard. Okay, guys, like 30 more seconds on this one, and then we'll go into the answers. Don't be worried, Ashir. The only thing you can do to stop your worrying is to work hard. That will always help. So just work hard. You got another week. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're getting a lot of answers here. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. So, are you guys ready to go over this? I think you are. At least, I think deep inside, you know it's time. So let's go over this. Okay, so the first one, I feel like you guys did really good on this one. Let's see what you guys are saying though. How to comprehend the passages better? Yeah, my key prominent, just like in a math word problem, you wouldn't skim a math word problem because every single word counts. Every single word matters. I would say the same thing for reading comp. It's much harder to do to read, make sure that you read and understand every single word. But dude, if you can do that, then the questions become kind of easy because it's like, oh, I remember reading this. So let's go over it. The structure of the passage. So how is this passage structured? the best way that I find to do this type of thing is just to look at what the paragraphs are. So this first paragraph, we have him walking through the woods, and he's using the word I, and he sees a house and he's going to go into it. And then after that, he talks about his kind of relationship with this woman named Elizabeth. And in the last paragraph, it talks about Elizabeth rocked in her chair, right? And held Dante's letter. Okay, so it's no longer in the perspective of the dude. So this is only partially correct. This is pretty okay, but that the forest doesn't necessarily frame the meeting of the two people. That's not what the structure is. I mean, that's just a feature of it. A man's internal thoughts, that's the first two paragraphs, and then a narrator describing a woman, that's the last paragraph. So yeah, the answer for this one is going to be C. Yeah, so number 1, C. Number 2, throughout the passage, the man's determination, well, he's like walking through the mud in the dark, in the forest to get to this person's house. So it seems urgent. It seems like he's determined to get there. Notice that by the end of the passage, though, he gets that feeling of nervousness and he slows down his walk. He starts to think about all the different things and he starts to slow his walk. Yeah, that's why the answer here is D. It seems to waver. Number 3, we can infer that the man's relationship with Elizabeth. Now, this one, I think a lot of people had different answers. And this is super important for you guys to understand that you need to use proof from the text to inform your answers. Proof from the text to inform your answers. So I just noticed, just looking at the chat, a lot of people were on romantic and a lot of people were on sibling. So those are pretty different. So we have to figure out which one it is. Now, it seems that, Elizabeth is pretty fond of him. He thinks that it's a possibility that she, receives him with a warm smile and a song. They had mutual friends together and they were inseparable. Okay, so that's starting to give us a picture that they did know each other. They're not strangers because they had mutual friends. Okay, he promised her that I would take her everywhere with me, so they did spend a lot of time together. However, it has been 2 decades time since I broke the promise and left her behind with our parents. Our parents, bros. So when you see that, our parents, that indicates that they are actually not in a relationship. All the Sweet Home Alabama comments. Okay, all right, but notice that the question, oh well, that's gonna look weird. Notice that the question doesn't, it doesn't say romantic and sibling, but so you can make whatever assumptions you want about the nature of the sibling relationship, but for real, we indicate for sure, undoubtedly, that they're siblings because they share a set of parents. So they are for sure siblings, and that's why we can pick 3. And notice, dudes, I'm not just like, oh, I kind of inferred it. No, I went to the passage and I found this. Now, if you are reading quickly and you skipped over this highlighted part, then chances are you didn't really know what the answer is. So let that be a kind of a reminder that every single word in the passage counts. You can't just skim and get away with it. Sometimes, but not always. 4, what is the best description of what plagues the man? He doesn't care about his shoes. I mean, they get muddy, but he doesn't seem to care that much about them. Guilt from chasing his ambition over his family obligations. That's pretty good. Concerned that the people from his old life have forgot about him. Now, the key here is forgot about him. Did they forget him? You know what I'm saying? Is there anything in the passage that would indicate that they forgot about him? No. So we can't say that that is the reason why he feels the way he feels. Nostalgia for a simpler time, I wouldn't necessarily call that nostalgia. It seems more laced with regret. And so, yes, it is guilt from chasing his ambition over his family obligations, and it's proof in the text. he says that instead of, taking his sister everywhere with him, he left her behind in England, right? But the shame of leaving people behind the people I love without notice. That sounds like he's escaping some obligation. That sounds like he's kind of on the run a little bit. So yeah, I would definitely say this one is B, guilt from chasing his ambition to become a banker over his family obligations. Last one. Yeah, that could be, but that's more of a stretch, Tejas, than the simpler solution. And then number 5. What is the most likely reason the man returns to England? A lot of people picked A, but again, we have to look in the passage and see, rather than just kind of remembering vaguely what we thought it was, we have to actually pull up the passage and look. So here it is, bros. Now, after the passing of my mother, I had a desperate desire to reconnect with what little family I had left. There's the proof. Okay, so we can definitely make some assumptions on some other reasons on why, but what the passage says explicitly is that after his mom passes away, he has a desire to connect with the rest of his family. And so that's why the answer here is going to be D, a death in the family. So yeah, those are the answers. Yeah. So congratulations to everybody who got 5 out of 5. A couple of you guys did. Yeah, it's got to be explicit. Oh, don't worry, Zal. You didn't fail, did you? No, you're good, dude. Yeah, thanks, Introvert. I came up with it. Yeah. So yeah, I did make it a little hard. But yeah, dude, you got to read the whole passage, bro. Dude, a lot of 5 out of 5s. That's what's up. Dude, really, really good. Thanks, Inordinate. Yeah. Dude, we're going to do another reading tomorrow, Mahia. For this last week, it's going to be half ELA, half math. So we're going to do a little bit of math right now. Yeah, I wrote that one. Because it's so hard to find copyright material of the right length, so I just wrote it. You got -1 out of 5? Kira, that's really bad. How do you maintain your focus? Willpower. You just gotta force yourself to. Yeah. Is it easier than paper? That's interesting. What a time to be alive, right, April? Yeah, we're gonna do more reading tomorrow. So guys, if you guys are looking to do more ELA, or if you're like, oh my, I don't really know, look at last week's stream. We did a bunch of ELA last week. We're gonna do ELA every single day this week just to prepare you guys for your upcoming test. So yeah, that was the ELA section. Yay, good job. So now we're gonna move on to a little bit of math. So I'm gonna throw it out to you guys. In this last week, what would you like to work on in math? What do you still have questions about? Yeah, BTS the band. I don't want to get copy strike. So I have to make my own music. Yeah, I have to make my own music. I got to make my own reading prompts. You got to do what you got to do, bro. Basically. What a time to be alive. Okay, cool. So what do you guys want to work on today? Permutations and combinations. Okay, so we did actually, that'd actually be a pretty good thing to start on, just because we will address the issue from some of the stuff yesterday. So things inside of a circle. Dude, good job, Ricky. Okay, cool. So yeah, some people want some geometry, people want some trig, percentage questions. Okay, let's start age problems. Yeah. Is Vena out there? Okay. Some Asta Labor, I got you. All right, so let's start with a little bit of permutation combination work, and let's see if I can throw you guys. Okay. Oh, how about this? Hold on, let me move this piece of paper. So yeah, just give me a second. Okay, cool. So check this out, guys. So here is a question, and keep in mind, you need to be very suspicious of the test. So that's all I'm going to say. So here is the question. I'll give you guys like a minute and a half to do this one. There are 6 toppings. I'm picking 3 different toppings to win a prize. First gets a plaque, second gets a hat, third place gets a handshake. How many top 3 finishes for a contest can I have? I should make some merch. Yeah. Oh, what is X in terms of Y? Those are good questions. We can do one of those for sure. Okay, so we got some answers coming in here. Redwall, Tejas, nice. Ricky, word. Zhao. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, dude, we'll go over the rules for sure. Phoenix, nice. Ashir, word. Huh, got 20. Got you. All right, so that is definitely enough time for you guys to do this problem. So I purposefully made this problem to seem different than it is, and we'll talk about it. The only way that you can solve this problem correctly is if you understand the difference between permutations and combinations. And guys, this is a permutation. Why? Because changing the order really matters. If we're talking about a pepperoni and a sausage pizza, change the order, sausage and pepperoni pizza, doesn't matter. It's the same thing. But if pepperoni wins first and sausage wins second, that's very different than sausage winning first and pepperoni finishing second. So because of the change in the value with the change of the order, we know we're dealing with a permutation. Yeah, so that is what we're actually dealing with. How to do a permutation. You have to list the number of prizes you have. So we have 3 prizes. We have a first place, we have a second place, and we have a third place. Okay, so we always pick our winners first. We could go in reverse order, but generally I pick my winners first. How many potential winners could be selected? Well, there's 6 toppings to select from. So how many potential ways could we pick a number 1? Well, there could be 6 number 1s. Now we pick, let's just say we pick sausage. That's no longer in the running. So then we have 5 to pick for second place. And then if we pick sausage and then olives, then we only have 4 toppings left to win third place. You multiply these together. That's a 30. That's times 4. That would be 120. Ooh. Yeah, that's how this one goes down. 6 times 5 times 4. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for the redemption. Because it's redemption time. But obviously I'm going to make it much harder. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for some redemption here. Here's your redemption. I didn't notice you because the comments are going so fast. I wish I could. Okay, here's your redemption, guys. 13 people, 13 hype beasts are in line at a store opening. How many different ways can we have the first 3 spots? Guys, this is your redemption. Okay, Sherpa. Yeah. Okay. So we're getting some answers in here from Inordinate Being and Pew Man here, 1716. We got Being and we got Pew. Okay. We got Leung. What's up, Jordan? Auditioning. Asta Labor. Dude. Nahar. Dude. Mahia. Dude. Is this? Oh my God. Ming. Ranger. Dude. Chang. Noise. Okay, guys, 15 more seconds. Let's get it. Zrizzy, Rodney, 286 for Tejas. Rodney. Wow. Zrizzy, Tina. All right. Wow. Good job, dudes. Sherpa. Camille. Macaw. Dude. Okay, so that's enough time, guys. That's how you do these. All right, guys, let's go into it. Let's see if the redemption is real. I'm really hoping the redemption's real. Yeah. Okay. So 13 people are in line. First 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. 13 hype beasts can be here, 12 here, and 11 here. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to do this multiplication by hand. 13 times 12. 6, 2, 1, 3, 1, 6, 5, 1. So 156 times 11 now. This should be easy. 6, 5, 1, 0, 6, 5, 1, 6, 11, 7. Dude, redemption is absolutely real. Wow. The redemption is real. Good job, bros. Okay. All right. So, good job, everybody. Now, I challenge you further. I challenge you even further. What if I were to change the question to something like this? Okay. All right, bros. So, let's see here. Here is the next question. Same vein, but let's see if you can handle it. Ahmed. Area problems? You can do area problems. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Sorry. Don't forget to smash that like button if you love the stress of studying for the SHSAT. Okay, so we have some answers coming in, so I want to write them down. Oops, sorry. Legend got 669. Legend. All right, word. Macau got 30. Skills got 20. Word. Pokar got 120. Poke. Combination, bruh. It's a combination poke. Red One, same thing, bro. It's a combination. Gamer got 20. Oh my gosh, the chat is going so fast. Leo, I think he got 20. Gameo got 120. Wiz got 60. Got you, Wiz. Havoc's got 120. Oh my god, dude, the chat is insane right now. Tejas got 20, I think. Ming got 2. What? Okay, guys, that's enough time. All right, I'm gonna try to get everybody. Mahia, Prominent, Vena. Dude, what's up, Vena? Tina, Dan's. I barely saw your answer. What was it, Dan's? Zrizzy got 120. Got you. Kush. Was it Anaket got 20? Anaket, got you. Ahmed. Ramisa. Dude, Sky got 120. Got you, Sky. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, dudes. Cheetah. Auditioning. Ooh. Nice. Ricky. A lot of people getting 20 now. I got all your names here. Phoenix. I almost didn't recognize you, dude. I just recognized your thumbnail. Okay, cool. Zhao. All right, dude. So let's talk about this one, bro. Let's talk about this one. Drill got 72. Got you, dude. All right, chill. Dan's. All right, that's all right, Dan's. I knew I saw you. Nice. Okay, cool. Zhang. A lot of people got this 20 answer, bro. Okay, cool. Pew also got it. Mahia got 120. Was that Mahia? Yeah, Mahia. All right, cool. So let's go through this, bros. Let's go through it. How do we do this? Now, ask yourself what I asked earlier, bro. Does changing the order matter? If we have like Tom, Harry, and Susan going on the trip, is it different if it's Susan, Harry, and Tom? No, they all get to go. So changing the order doesn't change the outcome. Not at all. Whereas the previous example, the first person in line has a bigger advantage than the second person in line. And so changing that order matters. Where these 6 people, the group of 3, if 3 people get to go and it's person A, B, and C, that's the same as if B, C, and A went. You know what I'm saying? The order doesn't matter because they all get to go no matter what. And they all get the same thing no matter what. So that is a combination. This is a combination. The way that we do that is we set it up the same way as a permutation. 3 slots. How many people for this first slot, second slot, third slot? This is the permutation. But we need to account for all of the duplicates because we don't want this, the same 3 people going is not a different option. It's the same 3 people. So we have to divide it by the factorial of how many we're choosing. Okay, so 3 factorial, and that's what this is what this looks like eventually. That's what 3 factorial is, 3 times 2 times 1. So you have to divide by 3 factorial. So that's what's up. So if you got 120, that's because you forgot to divide by 3 factorial. And that means that you've maybe thought it was a permutation instead of a combination, but the order doesn't matter. So we do this and we divide this. I like just dividing it straight up. So that's 2 and that's 2. So what this is 2 times 5 times 2 all over 1. Bruh. Absolute legends. My script. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's how this goes down. Now, we're going to move on to some geometry stuff because I want to hit a bunch of different topics today. But if you guys are confused about this, like if you can't tell the difference between a permutation and a combination, wow. Well, lucky for you, I released a video, 2 videos on permutations and combinations. And so you can study them there. So if you have any questions, definitely check them out. They're just like normal videos that I uploaded. One of them is teaching you how to do it, and the other one is practice. So definitely give those a look out. Wouldn't it be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1? That swagger, that would be if 6 people are in line, how many different ways could we have that line of 6 people? That would be the answer to that. But yeah, this is just like this was me working with a student earlier. This is like yeah, this is the order doesn't matter here. So we have to set it up like a permutation, but to get rid of the duplicates of, you know, group A, B, and C and group B, C, and A, those are the same group. So to get rid of the duplicates, we have to divide by however many we're picking factorial. Yeah. Let's see. No, permutation could be 8th grade for sure. Almost 100%. So, yeah. All right, cool. So what should we work on next? Some geometry problems. What's up? What's up, Shad? Some graph area. So they probably won't have graphing on the 8th grade, but they. Oh, I just got your email, Tejas. Let me open this up. See what it says. We're not doing logarithms, dude. Sorry, Tejas. So yeah, I majored in the SHSAT. Yeah, this is my life. Okay, cool. So let's do some. Oh, thanks, Shad. Yeah, let's do some geometry problems. Circles. How many revolutions? Ooh, revolution problems. I did a revolution video last year. You should check that out. And I oop. Okay, cool. So let me do some geometry. Let me figure out how to potentially trick you guys here. Okay, yeah, I think I know how. I think I know how to trick you. So let me, guys, here it is, moment of truth. Not bad. That is not bad. Okay. Yes, Ming. Okay, so. Alright. I realize this isn't a perfect circle. Now that I'm drawing a square around it, I realize that it's not perfect, but it was close. It was a good try. There we go. Pretend that touches. Okay. So we'll do this. All right, that's righteous. All right, so. Okay, hold on 1 second. Now let me put some numbers to this so we can see how it goes down. Thanks, Benna. Okay. Okay, so here's the question, guys. I'm very, very interested to see how you guys can get this. And I will give you guys like 2 minutes to solve it. But here is an example of a SHSAT style geometry problem. Remember to have fun. Beakvis? Yeah, dude. Okay, cool. So here's the question. Let me actually. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Okay. Here's the question. Let's get it. Use 22 over 7 for pi, please. BF equals 14. Okay. And that also equals, let's say that also equals AG, just so we can be super clear on what's going on in this problem. What is the area of the shaded region? Let's go. Remember to have fun. And that is a circle. And that's a square as well. I should probably say that. All right, cool. A little bit of a confirmation there. Let's go. Is it a square? Ricky, yes it is. Scrambled paragraphs and logical thinking? Yeah, if this was like 3 years ago, bro. Okay, so we have some answers coming in here. Wow, dude. Bruh. Cred hits. Red one. Dude, Aniket. Ashir. Nahar. Dude. Pew. Bruh. Dude. Okay, that is enough time. Wow. Dude. I thought this was hard. You guys crushed this. Ahmed. I mean, I'm assuming that's the right answer. I actually don't know the right answer. Gamer. Vena. Tejas. Havocs. Dude. Being. Drill. Whoa, you guys crushed this. Wow. Dude. Oh my gosh. Dan's. Wow. Jupiter. Yang. Ahmed, I think I got you, bro. Wow. Yeah, dude, you're on fire, April. Wow, dude, you guys crush this question. Ishani, what's up, Ishani? It's been a while. Ishani's here. Nice. All right, dude. So Blake, wow, got you, Blake. What's up, man? Wow, absolute crush. Spectre got 42. Remnants. Okay, so it seems like everybody is coming down on this answer, bro. I'm blown away. Ethan. Wow. I mean, just look at that. I mean, it could be the bandwagon, but that's a strong bandwagon. It's like a 4-wheel drive bandwagon, Ranger. Okay, so I also saw in the chat, I didn't have enough time to write it down, but I did see a lot of people with 42 as well. So we should definitely talk about this question for sure. And if you're just curious how this one goes down, I'm happy to show you. Why is everything so tilted today? It feels so tilted. Whatever. All right, so with shaded regions, there's... Oh, April got this too? Can't forget. Brian. All right, chill. All right, so let's go through this. Zhao. There's 2 ways to do shaded region problems, my dude. The first way is to find an equation for the area of a shape. But I don't know what the equation of a curved edge triangle is, so not that way. The second way is through subtraction. We take the whole thing and we subtract what is missing. In this case, this half circle is missing from this half square. So let's go through it. If BF is 14 and CE is 14, then that means from B to C is going to be 7. So let's just forget about this half of the problem completely. I don't care about it. Let's just focus on this. So what is 7 times 14? Okay, this is where I can get into trouble. 28. 98. So the area of just this half circle is 98, but it's being covered up by a half circle with a radius of 7. So what is the area? Pi r squared. Pi r squared. So we know that pi is 22 over 7. We know that r is 7 squared. So it's going to be 22 over 7 times 49. We can cancel that out and just be a 7. So what is 22 times 7? 14, 14, 15. 154. So the whole area of this circle is 154. But notice that's way bigger than our 98 because this is for the whole circle. We just need half. So we have to divide it by 2. 154 divided by 2. 7, 14, 77. So the area of the half square is 98. The area of this half circle that's covering part of our half square is 77. Yeah, 21, bros. Dude, that is real nice. That is really nice. Dude, good job. You guys absolutely incinerated this problem. Now, I know that people did put 42. Just be very aware that only half of this circle or half of the square is, filled in. Wow. Havix has got a pretty good explanation in the chat too. Whoa, dude. Really good job, dude. Wow. Yeah, that's a pretty good explanation, Havix. Okay. What's up, Crunchy? See you, man. Get that homework done, bro. Yeah. So, dude, that's how that one goes down. You guys crushed that, though. You guys absolutely, incinerated that one. So I'm not too worried. We don't need a redemption on that one. You guys crushed it. Maybe we could do Tejas wants to do functions, but maybe we could do some symbolism stuff because that has a high likelihood of being on your guys' test. So let me see a problem that I could do to maybe try to throw you guys a little bit. Okay, so here is a question that I think is very quintessentially SHSAT, because chances are you didn't learn how to do this in school, but if you are with it, you probably could figure it out on your own. So what's symbolism, Dan? That's light work, says Ming. But yeah, we'll look at it. I think this is a slightly harder symbolism question. So what is the likelihood of permutations and combinations being on the 9th grade SHSIT? Very high, Bob. Very high. Oh, thanks, Ethan. I helped you more than your actual tutor. Yeah, thanks, man. Definitely leave a like for sure. Okay, cool. So here is the question. All right. So A star B equals A plus 2 B minus 1 plus AB. What is 4 star negative 2 star 5? I don't think you are allowed to use a stopwatch, Tejas, unfortunately. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure, actually. I'll have to look at the handbook. What's up, Legend? Oh, nice. Dude, thanks, Jan. Yeah, there are a lot of Ethans. A lot of big brain Ethans here. Dude, Animation Space. I used your thumbnail. Shout out to Animation Space. All right, Pew Man. Oh, ooh, retracted. I did not see that answer, Pew Man. That was really slick. I did not see it. Okay, cred hits. That's funny. All right, guys. You guys have another 30 seconds on this one. April, got you. Yang got 18. And Ming got 0. And this is kind of like an order of operations question as well, too. You know what I mean? Ashani. Gamers. Ramisa, got you. Zrizzy got negative 64. I don't know the answer to this, guys, so I can't really say. Macau. Zhao. Zrizzy, got you, bro. Tejas. We'll go over it, Ethan, so if you're confused, don't even trip, dude. Animation Space. Yeah, shout out to Animation Space again for the thumbnail. That was really solid. Pew, you had that retraction earlier. Good for you. Nahar. Okay. Ethan, got you, bro. Bandit. Ethan. Word. Tina. Aniket got negative 196. Word. Jupiter got negative 67. Ranger. Okay, cool. That is definitely enough time to solve this one. 3 minutes is definitely enough. Okay. Rodney. Ahmed got 86. Ahmed. Good for you, man. Legend. Cheetah. All right, cool. Let's go through this one. So if you're confused, let's go through it. Guys, this, you know how you learned multiplication or whatever, you learned that factorial in the earlier the part where 3 factorial makes it 3 times 2 times 1. That's what this is. It's just like a brand new function that they introduce to make it more of a level playing field because nobody's seen this before. Master of all knowledge. We'll go into it, Jason. Oh, Animation Space, you put negative 52? That's my bad. No, but you put 10 first, bro. All right. So let's get into this. Havocs, forgot you. Sorry, bro. All right, cool. Skills got negative 226. Dude, is it? Why? Oh, it's not all the way in the holder. That's why. All right, cool. All right, so let's go into how to do this. Notice when we look at just straight up, we just look at this top thing right here. Notice where the A is and notice where the B is. They're on the other side of the star. Notice where the A ends up. It ends up here and it ends up here. The B ends up here and here. So I'm going to rewrite it really quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Okay. So now we're dealing with this problem here. If you guys remember order of operations, we do our parentheses first. Okay, we have to do our parentheses first. So the first thing we're going to do, (4* (-2). We're going to figure out what that is first, and then we can go through the star thing with the 5. So wherever I see an A, I'm going to put a 4. Wherever I see a B, I'm going to put a -2. That's it. That's all you have to do for these. You like my pens? Thank Ethan. Dude, I exclusively use Pilot G2 pens. They're the best, dude. I love these things. So once we substitute in, then you just got to lock it down with your order of operations. So 4 plus, this would be a -3. So times 2 would be -6. And this will be plus a -8. Okay, 4 minus 6 is -2 minus 8. We're going to get -10. Okay, so another way to say 4* (-2) is -10. All right, and that's important because if we know 4* (-2) equals -10, then we can plug in -10 into this parentheses, and what we end up getting is -10* (5). Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Wherever I see this -10, wherever I see the A, I'm going to plug in -10. So -10 plus 2 times 5 minus 1. Notice I'm not doing much in my head, dude. I highly recommend that you do it out on a piece of paper. This test is too important. Okay, cool. So break it down even more. -10, that is going to be 4 plus 8 plus a -50. Oh, wow. So that -10 and -50 is -60 plus 8. Negative 52. That's what's up. Dude, that is what's up. Absolute legends. Absolute legends. Good job, guys. That is what's up. Really, really good. Oh, you get it now. Nice. Bruh. Nice. Dude. So, yeah, that's how this one goes down. Guys, you're just translating from their example to... You're confused about the star? It's just the thing they make up, bro. Oh, Venna, I forgot. You shout out to Venna. She's a real OG. You didn't see the AB at the end? That's tragedy. That's tragic. Redemption? Do you guys need a redemption on this? Redemption, please? Okay. Oh, people are asking for a redemption? All right, dudes. You're going to get a redemption. All right, let's get it. Let me see here. What would be hard? What would be hard for you guys? Let me see. What would be very hard for you guys? Oops. Because I don't want to make the same thing. I want you guys to have a redemption. I want you guys to actually have a problem. Can you do a video? Can you link the video where I do the revolutions? Just look at my video page, man. There's not that many of them. I think there's only 100 videos. Get Pooji pens? Are they really good? All right, we're gonna do a redemption, guys. Muji pens. Oh, I've heard of them before. Are they good? Do they write smoothly? That's what I like the most about these. They write really smooth. Okay, so let me think of a problem. Okay. Okay, so hold on a second. I just want to make sure that this works out because it's much harder. So, okay, Muji pens. You're obsessed. Oh, maybe I'll switch. So it'd be 2. This would be minus. Okay, great. Yeah. All right. Okay, cool. So here's the question. Here's your redemption. Can you redeem yourself? You made a mistake on the previous problem. Oh no. Can you come back? Can you overcome? Will you let your defeat drag down the rest of your life? As a 70-year-old man in a restaurant by yourself being like, oh, I missed that star problem. That was my worst time. No, you guys can make it. You guys can do it. I believe in you. So here you go. Redemption time. Let's get it. P box G equals PG minus 1/2 P plus G plus 4 minus P over G. What is the value of 4 box 2 box 1? Redemption time. Let's get it. This is the box. This is the boss. They went on a mission to solve a problem they never thought they could. Yes, yes. All right, let's go. All right, guys. I'll give you guys another minute. All right, guys, 30 more seconds, bro. Oh, you didn't see the large box with the 1? Bruh, that's large box with a 1. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Skills. Monster. Dude, this does not look like a redemption. This looks like we're still fighting, bros. We're still fighting. Cheetah. Dude, Nazir. I think oh no, Nazir. Dude, we are still fighting. Venna. I don't know what the answer is, guys. I don't know. I wish I knew which one of you guys were right. Sorry. Ethan. Okay. Dudes, that's enough time. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, I even played the boss music. How can the redemption be real? It's not real. We might need another redemption of a redemption, bro. Phoenix got -1. Oh no. Okay. Dude, it's a decimal. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, Curry. All right, somebody's got to be right. Somebody's got to be right. Tejas. All right, so very, very interesting, guys. I wonder if the people that put 7 saw this big box under the 1. I tried to include it, but let's go into it either way. So guys, P over G, we're just going to do some substitution here. That's how we're going to start off. And I'm going to skip some steps because I just want to move quick. Whenever I see a P, I'm going to do 4. Whenever I see a G, I'm going to do 2. So 4 times 2 minus 1/2. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 4. 4 over 2 is 2. So this is going to be 8 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2. So 8 minus 3 is 5. That's 9. So that's going to be 7. So you guys who got 7, you definitely solved for the 4 box too. But did you see this? Did you see this box? It was on the page, bruh. Shout out to Shad, by the way. Dude, you guys didn't see you guys didn't see that second box. Dude, the redemption is not real. Okay, so now we have to do 7 over 1. Whenever I see a 7 is where the P goes and the 1 is where the G goes. So it's going to be 7 times 1 minus 1/2 times 8 plus 4 minus 7 over 1. So 7. So it's going to be 7 minus 4 plus 4 minus 7 equals 0. Bruh. That's the right answer. 0. Dude, the redemption was not real. Oh no. 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 I want to play the redemption is real music, but I can't. I can't do it because the redemption wasn't real because I wrote the problem really poorly and you guys didn't see that box in that one. Phoenix, how did you get -1, man? Was that just a subtraction issue there? Yeah. Dude, how did I see? Because I'm fast, bro. That's how I saw. Like, I'm trained by the CIA to see retracted answers. So, there you go. Guys, the redemption is not real. Although, shout out to everybody who put 7. I'm just assuming you guys didn't see this box with this 1. And if you didn't see the box with the 1 and you put 7, triple redemption. Do you guys want redemption of a redemption of a redemption? Okay. All right. All right. Here's your last chance. You are going to be an old person on a rocking chair, and your grandkids are going to say, how did you do in school? And you're going to just be thinking about the one time that you didn't get redemption, the one time you didn't redeem yourself. Okay? One more redemption, bros. And I'm going to make it hard. Okay? So it's not going to be easier. Just because you know how to do it now doesn't mean that you're going to crush it. Okay? So, here we go. I think I know. I think I know how to make it harder. I think I know. Okay. Um, mm, V. All right, bros. Guys, this is real serious now. Will you redeem yourself? Can you? Can you redeem yourself? Did I make this one much harder? Yes, I did. So, keep in mind, just plug in, compare to the previous examples, and plug in as much as you can. You guys can do this, okay? Good luck, because this is much harder. Okay. All right. Here's your redemption. Wait. Minute and a half, guys. Let's get it. I made it harder because otherwise it's not, the redemption isn't real. Otherwise it's just you repeating what you did in the previous problem. You have to learn it, you have to redeem yourself. So these are actually much harder. This problem is actually much harder. But guys, remember, order of operations. That's all I'm going to say. Order of operations, guys. Order of operations. Okay, so we have our first answer in here. From Pew. Poke, -1. Dude, are we going to have to do a quadruple redemption here? Yeah, that's funny. Oh my gosh, dude, the answers are coming in way too hot. Henry, Cred, Mahit, Henry, Cred, Tejas, Leo, Chip got 21. Chip, 21. Okay. Jason, sorry. Zhao, Macau. Dude, sorry. Phoenix, auditioning, legend. Bro, dude, are you guys doing it? Gameo, a boss. Dude, what's up, a boss? Yang. Bro, dude, Rona. What's up, Rona? Dude, Nazir. Dude, Curry. I didn't think you guys could do this. Oh, dude. Maybe it's the bandwagon that's just being real, but oh my god. You guys are so confident. Zeden's got 38. Got you, Zeden. All right. Wow, dude. Monster. Dude, Nazir. I got you, Nazir. Dude, Poke. Oh. Huh? Got you. Havocs. Got you. Skills. Got you. Animation. Dude, Cheetah. Dude, you guys can't even see, the list is so big. Dude, Tina. Dude, that is enough time. Whoa. Oh man. Oh man. Wiz, you got 20? Got you, Wiz. Whoa. Bro. Oh, Chip, you got 19? My bad, dude. I saw 21. Sky got 19. Chip. Miscellaneous. Dude. Wow. 19 for Brian. Got you, Brian. Dude. I am so hoping the redemption is real, bro. I am so hoping the redemption is real. You put 19, Poke? I saw. That was a joke. I'm not dumb. I was just acting dumb, and the fact that you guys thought I was dumb means that you guys are dumb. Just kidding. Poke, I know you're smart, bro. You're like one of the smarties. All right, so let's go into this. Dude, I don't know the answer. I legit don't know the answer when I make a lot of these questions. So 19 could be it. It could be -1. It could be 38. It could be 20. I don't know. But guys, we just need to work our way outward. So here's our first parentheses. This could be called symbolism. This could also be called functions. There's a reason why I did the symbolism as a function. It's because these might be on the SHSAT. One year I had a student who was really smart, but they got functions on their test. They're like, what do we do? I was like, okay, so, this is fair game for sure, even though they don't really indicate it. So we need to work on what f of 2 is. Well, f of x is this. So wherever we see an x, we need to plug in a 2. So it would be 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 10. 4 plus 8 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 2 again. So I just need to plug in 2 for this g of x, because f of 2 equals 2. So now I can plug in what f of x equals, or f of 2 equals, and take what g of 2 is. My pen is like running out of ink, dudes. Dude, I need to get new pens. So we need to find out what g of 2 is. We're going to plug in 2 every time we see an x, because if this x turns into a 2, then this x turns into a 2 as well. And what we get is 10 times 2 minus 1. Bros. The redemption. The redemption's real! Yes! That's so good, dude. So good. Look at these absolute legends. Absolute legends. Really nice, guys. Really, really good job. Really hard probability questions. Yeah, we could do a kind of hard probability questions. Yeah, hard probability. Okay, for sure. Let me see what that would even be. What would be hard? Dude, the redemption's absolutely real. Dude, whiz, the -1. Dude, Venna, no, I didn't. I did not forget your name, Venna. Wait. Yeah, I did. Sorry. Sorry, Venna. I see you, Poke. I know you were there, bro. I know you just like giving joke answers, bro. Let's go. No, we're not going to do geometry. We are going Yeah, we are going to do some probabilities. Is today a super stream? No, but maybe, but no. Oh, thanks, huh? Yeah, definitely like the stream if you guys love studying. I know you all do. So let me think of a very hard probability question just to see if I can challenge you guys a little bit. Oh, sorry, Mahia. Shout out to Mahia. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. All right, so let me put on some like chill music, some background elevator music while I write this problem. It's going to take a little bit. All right. Oh, I just made it. Oh. Dang it. I gotta rewrite this. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Doesn't work. All right, so. All right. The 1K stream was bad. Yeah, maybe. I thought the static stream was like the worst. Okay, let me just go through the chat really quick, just make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, dude, thanks, Legend. Appreciate that. I do it for you guys for sure. Oh, what's up, Christy? All right. Yeah. Okay, really. Now you're the greatest. Okay, so. Okay, cool. So, guys, here's the question. Hard probability question, like you guys asked. Here it is. All right, I'll cut this elevator music so you guys can focus. All right, guys, let's get it. A bag has 9 red, 7 green, 4 blue, and 1 white pens. What is the probability I randomly pick a green pen and then, without replacement, I pick a blue pen? There is no static anymore, dude. Oh, thanks, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, the static stream scared away all the static. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You can't force the static. It's just like if you love it, you got to let it go. You know what I mean? So that's the question. Poke, I think you need to push play, dude. Because the question's on the screen, my dude. All right, we got some answers coming in. We got... That's... Oh my god, dude, the chat is so fast today. Wow, you guys are like really on it. Pew, Aniket, Dan's, Ethan got 1 out of 12. Ethan. Got you. Aniket, Legend, Wiz, Ramisa. Dude, Ramisa. I just spelled your name really weird. Dan's, got you. Aniket. Oh no. Cheetah, Ming. Yang. Wow. Dude. Whoa. Shad. What's up, Shad? Nazir. Sorry. Christy. Got you, Venna. Got you. Venna. Abstract. Hey, what's up, Abstract? Long time no see, dude. Leo. I think I might have written you twice. Badman. All right, so that is enough time. Hopefully you guys are done by now. Tejas, I saw an answer. I don't know which one you put. Monster. Tejas. Auditioning. Dude, you guys straight up crush this. I'm assuming you guys are all right. Huh, Prominent. Zrizzy. Havocs. Mason. What's up, Mason? Wow. Kira. Word. Skills. Skills has a speed run on his YouTube. Tina. Dude. All right. Wow. Animation. Zhao. Shout out to Animation for the thumbnails again. Dude, really, really good. Mason, I got you, Mason. Tina. Where are you? Yeah, you're right here. It looks like Mosin, but it's Mason. Ghost. Zhang. Dude, okay. All right. I thought this was a little bit harder, but I guess it's not. You guys, I can make them harder. Poke. The Redemption. All right. I think I'm going to make them harder because you guys absolutely destroyed this one. Oh, no. I just put a mark on the couch. Oh, dang it. I just red pen on this couch. Oh, man. All right, cool. Yeah, I can't do a tutor. I can't do a Google Classroom. That would just be, I'm already stretched so thin. Okay, so let's go into this. Nahar, what'd you put, bro? Phoenix, what'd you put? I just didn't see you. On 115? You guys both have 115. Okay, I got you. Phoenix. Nahar. Ethan's looking kind of lonely over here. We love you, Ethan. All right, so let's go through how to do this. We'll use this color. So guys, probability is what we want over total. So how many total are there? Well, that's 10 and that's 11. So it's going to be 21 total. So that is the total. Now, what is the probability that we get a green pen? Well, there's 7 green pens, so the probability of getting a green pen is this. Without replacement, what does that mean? That means that if we pick the pen, we don't put it back. So originally, if there's 3 pens and we get our blue pen, now there's only 2. And likewise, when we have 21 pens and we pick our green pen, we only have 20 left, bros. I know abstract, it's crazy, dude. So yeah, see you, Mason. So this is going to be 4 because now what we want is a blue pen. So this is the, the math that we have to do. Guys, you guys have to simplify this. It will help you so much, dude. So this is going to be 1/3, and this is going to be 1/5. Now we're caking. Bruh. Dude, you guys crushed that. Dude, you guys absolutely crushed that. I don't even know if it's just the bandwagon or if you guys are actually just like so legit. I don't know, but really, really good job, guys. Really, really good. That's what's up. I can do a much harder probability problem if you guys want to. Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys want to do more probability? I feel like you guys are so good. Like, what's the point? I'm just going to eat a little chocolate real quick. April, I just got your email. Let's see what you got here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's actually a really good email. I will get back to you on that, April. That's interesting. Okay, see you, April. Zeden, I put your answer, didn't I? You're in here, bro. You're somewhere in there, bro. I put your answer all the time, bro. Age problems? Much harder? It is a super stream. It's happened. We've crossed over. It's a super stream, guys. I didn't want to tell you. I could be your math teacher, Gameo. Just tell them to hire me. You guys want a hard one? Venna. I knew as soon as people put H game, I just like wait in the chat for Venna to say for Venna to get mad. Okay. So let's do a hard it is more than a super stream. It's a feeling. Aniket, what's your question? I forgot. It is a super stream, Wiz. Wiz, have you been studying for since summer? That's crazy. Is it true that I created the SHSAT? Yes, it is true. What's your question, Aniket? No, we're not doing logarithm stages. Yeah, we're not gonna do trig either. How many trips problem? We can do that. We can do that. Okay. I don't know what your question is, Aniket. I wish I knew. I don't know. I wish I could do it. I just don't know what it is. Petition for age games. Dude, we've been doing age games a lot recently. If you guys are interested in age games or you don't know what they are or whatever, check the previous videos, previous streams. We've been doing them quite a bit. Yeah, I am Tyler, the creator. How'd you know? That's me. That's me. Okay, you emailed me? Let me see. Ooh. Are you going to do study after November? Yes, I'm going to do dude, way to go, Wiz. Way to go. I'm going to be doing after this, I'm going to be doing SAT. So if you guys want to go to college, if you want to go, we're going to be studying the SAT hardcore. And you think the SHSAT is hardcore, then do geometry. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing SAT. Oh, you emailed it on Friday? Can you resend it to me, please? I've had like 200 emails since Friday and today. I've had so many people reach out to me, just looking for material, looking for questions, looking for answers. So yeah, geometry. Do geometry. Okay. I think I have a hard problem for you guys. I think it'll be a hard problem for the majority of you guys, but for some of you guys, it's actually going to be really easy. I can help you convert your score, Blade. Just send it. Yeah, and college is expensive. That's why I always say if you want to go to college, because there's a million ways to be successful in this country, and just look at like the top CEOs. A lot of them drop out of college. So if college was absolutely essential, then those top CEOs wouldn't drop out. So that's all I'm saying. However, college does help you. So you got to weigh checks and balances. You got to weigh it. So let me see if I can. Ooh, I think I have a problem that would be really sick. But here's how we started off. Come on. Ah, that's not bad. That's not bad. I've definitely made worse. Okay. So. Oh. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. One more line. Okay. Okay. And so. Okay. Okay. Here is the question. All right. Here's the question. So hopefully this isn't too difficult, but the concepts in here are actually concepts that are legit. That's an interesting point. Abstract, I think. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, exactly. So you just got to find the best path for you. That's all I'm going to say about college is you got to find what the best path is for you. For a lot of people, that's college. For a lot of people, that's something other than college. Doesn't matter because what matters is that where you end in the end. Because if you go to college and you have no career, then that's bad. If you don't go to college and you have no career, then that's also bad. So just, you know what's right for you. Same thing with these specialized high schools. If you guys get in, it's not over. That's the beginning. You guys are going to have to grind twice as hard as you're grinding now if you get in. So it's not like college or these specialized high schools will make you a genius. They won't. You either are a genius or you're not. You're either a hardworking and smart person or you're not. These establishments only help you along the way. So that's all this is. And I'll be quiet now because I want to get into this problem that I think is actually kind of difficult, but at the same time, you guys can do this. All right, cool. So here has a combination of a bunch of concepts people were asking me for. So let's get it. AD equals 6. DB equals DC. We'll say BC equals 10. Just to fill this out. What is the area of the shaded region? Let's get it. Yeah, I just got your email, Aniket. Oh, you sent a bunch. Oh, yeah. You know what? Let me email you about that because that is technically way more advanced than the SHSAT, and I don't want to make people feel like they're dumb just because they can't do this really hard SAT style problem. All right, cool. So we got some answers coming in. Prominent got 6 pi. Oh my gosh, hold on a second. Whoa, Prominent got 6 pi. Nazir. Ming. Huh. Shad. Ramisa. Nade. Xiao. Got you. Astalabor. Dude, the grind is real. Anime Weeb. Sorry. Got you, bro. Curry with the sauce. Noise. Gliz. Zrizzy. Gameo. Dude. All right, you guys got 15 more seconds, bro. Zeden. Leong. Tina. Wow. Dan's. I'm so impressed. Dan's. Henry. Wiz. Nice. Havoc's. Dude, you guys crushed this. Wow, you guys crushed this. Tejas. All right, that's enough time. Wow. Dude, I can't. Poke? Did I not write you down? Don't forget Poke guys. Rona. Vena. Did I get Vena already? No. Wait, no. Gotta make sure to get Vena. Okay, Phoenix. Dude. Wow. Maroof. Hold on a second. Yeah. Maroof. Got you. Dude. You guys crushed this. I'm assuming you guys are all right. I'm not even sure. Monster. Wow. Okay, I got some emails. Nice. All right, bros. Let's get it. Let's talk about how to do it. So if you're in the chat and you're still a little confused, or if you're just kind of watching and studying, let me show you how to do this. We don't, like I said before, you can do shaded regions two ways. You can subtract what you have from what you don't want, or what you don't want from what you have, or you can have a formula. In this case, we have a formula for this shape. Not as much a formula, but we have a way to get it. So why did I make this triangle? Why did I only tell you this? Well, if that's 120 degrees, then that means that this here is, let me use a different color, that this here is 60 degrees, because two angles on a straight line add up to 180. So that's 60 degrees, and we know that this line DB is the same as DC. So if this 60 creates a line that's this length, then a line this length need to be created by 60, and that means this guy in here is 60 because they have to add up to 180. That's an equilateral triangle. Yeah. So that's what we're working with. We have an equilateral triangle. That's the first kind of step you need to make. So if you get that, then you're going to be looking pretty decently, I think. We know that the radius of this circle is 6. So now what we need to do, just like with probability, okay, just like a fraction, we need to find part over whole. And if you've been in the streams, you know this. So for a circle, what is our part and what is our whole? Well, our part over whole is going to be 60 over 360, because this part is 60 degrees out of the entire circle, which is 360 degrees. So let me simplify that. So our part over whole is going to be 1/6. This is 1/6 of the entire circle, because we found out what the part over whole is using an angle measurement. Now we can find the part over whole using our area. So we know that this 1/6 is going to be our part over whole. We don't know what the area of our part is, but do we know what the area is for the whole circle? Yeah, pi r squared. So that's going to be 36 pi. So we could do cross multiplication, or you could just kind of look at it. I'm going to do cross multiplication. So 6x equals 36 pi. I'm going to divide both sides by 6 by 6. X equals 6 pi. Bang. This is on the SHSAT. This is fair game this year. They added this concept new. So yeah, this is brand new. This is not GRE, Shad. This is real. This is just straight up SHSAT. And they added this concept brand new this year. So just keep in mind, whenever you have circles are super equal, this part of the circumference is going to be 1/6 of the whole circumference. This area, 1/6 of the whole area. This angle measurement, 1/6 of 360, which is the whole angle measurement. So if you can find that part over whole, that applies throughout the entire problem. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Dude, nice. Abstract. I'm glad you get it, dude. Chip, if you're looking for algebra stuff, go to DeepMind. It's on my website, and check it out. It's a lot of algebra, a lot of arithmetic, and it tests your precision. Yeah, dude, I hope you get into abstract. Yeah, that is kind of interesting, Gameo. You will be taking a test, and people in that room will be from this stream. But also, which should help you relax a little bit, because it makes it relatable. Everybody's going through the same thing. And you guys are, can I send an easier question? Yeah, you can send an easier question. That's good. Yeah, sector problems. That's exactly it, Rebel Lord. Yeah. DeepMind is broken for you? Oh no, Zhao. Why don't you just send me an email, man? I'll give you a key card as like a cheat to get you deeper into the mine. Yeah, so don't even worry about it. Dans, we just did functions, bruh. Ooh, yeah, you got to get that ELA score up a little bit, and more importantly, abstract, you need to get your math score up. I know you're 50 out of 57, but if you get another math question right, if you go back and like fix one of your mistakes and get it right, that question is going to be worth about 10 points. If you get another ELA question right, it's going to be worth about 4 points. So yeah, I don't like giving out the exact high score for the test diagnostic on my website, but just know that it's well into the 300s. Yeah, dude, yeah, yell Tyler Tutor at the test. And when you get into your specialized high school, if you want to make friends right away, during lunch, stand on one of the tables and yell Tyler Tutor, and then other people from the stream will come and say hi to you. So when you get into specialized high school, stand on your table and yell Tyler Tutor, and then you'll make friends right away. Yeah, it's true. 10 points, bruh. How do I get your ticket? I think it's my schools. Need to get wrong? Well, it depends on the section, Rona. On the section that you're trying to dominate, like whether it be math or ELA, you don't want to miss more than 5. If you can miss only 5 questions on your strongest part, then you can only do kind of average in the other one and be okay. Yeah. Yep. Thanks, Shad. That you get embarrassed? No, you'll be the most popular kid in school immediately. Dude, oh, thanks, Havix. I appreciate that, bro. Dans, that's it, bro. That's it. Tina, you can email me and I will convert your score for you. Yeah, so you can just email me and I'll convert your score. So don't even like trip if you're interested in score for conversions. I don't have time to do it during the chat, but if you email me, yeah. Yeah, no, you won't be the only one that screams it. Don't worry about it. That's really good, Anaf. Average for ELA, I would say in the mid 40s is quote average for ELA. Mid 40s. Dude, Shad, exactly. Like Shad's super popular now. Okay. What's my email? Hold on. I gotta like get this chocolate out of the way. All right. Cool. Thanks, Brianna. All right, so yeah, it's winding down for sure. All right, bros. Yeah, you got it, Brianna. Anna Ket's email. Let me check. Oh my gosh, Anna Ket, that's so many. Oh. That's a pretty good question, Aniket. Maybe we'll start off tomorrow by doing that. That's a really good question, actually. Yeah. We'll do that one for sure. Just remind me, okay? Thanks, Maruf. Appreciate that, Dora. A 53 out of 57 and 37 out of 57. Will I get in? Email me. I don't have my conversion sheet in front of me. But yeah, you could definitely email me and I will get to it for sure. Yeah. Shad, check your question. Okay, let me pull it up. Shad, Pythagorean theorem, my dude. Solve for the unshaded region, not the shaded region. That's actually a really good question. ALC. That's actually a really good question. Let's actually do that right now. I really like this question. I generally like questions when they have two concepts inside of them. That's like my favorite. Okay, guys. All right, bros, here's the question. I'll cut that music so you guys can focus, but let me pull it up. Okay, yeah, so check this out. That's a rectangle, by the way. Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind. They can come back. The next 3 days of homework? I can do your homework for you, Tejas, no problem, bro. Yeah, I don't like showing. Just email me. I got you, Nate Blade. I don't want to it's kind of, the conversion sheet is the one that I have is not easy to get, so I don't like sharing it, you know what I mean? But I like sharing it with you guys. Yeah. Oh, really? I like cut this music. All right, so we got some answers coming in from Legend and Zrizzy, and they got 4.5. I know I didn't start the timer. Mahia, Tina, Huh, Anacat, Geek, nice, bro. Dude, you guys crushed this one. Ming, dude, I have to come with harder problems. I am getting so tired of you guys BTFOing all of my problems. It's like sunny. Dude, my roof. Bruh. Nahar. Dude, you guys destroyed this. Wiz. Wait a minute. Wiz! Hey! Kira. Oh no, that's Kiera. Hey, Kiera. Macau. Tejas, Skills. Oh, okay, thanks, Leo. Leo. Got you, bro. Yeah, it's still crazy, bro. The super stream is real. Henry, Yang. Wow. You guys crushed up on this. I thought this was going to be like an interesting kind of difficult one, but you guys absolutely destroyed this. Chan, got you, bro. Yang. Yeah, I know Wiz got it. Wiz is just being cheeky. Vena, how could I forget? All right, so yeah, you guys absolutely crushed this one. I have Skills. All right, dude. Wow. Okay, so I do want to go over this one. I thought this one would be harder for you guys, but it actually was really easy. So let's talk about how to do this one potentially. This is the Pythagorean theorem, and this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Now I could go through the Pythagorean theorem, but bros, I've done that so many times. Is this on the SHSAT? 100% yes. 100% something like this could be on the SHSAT for sure. So we have the Pythagorean theorem here. So we know what this area is. We know that this is a 7 times 3 triangle. So yes, this is 3 and it has a height of 3, and so we could solve it like that. The base is 3, the height is 3, and this is the formula, 1/2 base times height, and you're gonna get 1/2 times 9, and you're gonna get 9 over 2, and you're gonna get 4.5. That's one way to do it. The other way to do this is to take the whole area of this rectangle, which happens to be 21. We subtract this 7 times 3 times 1/2, which is 21. 1/2 of that is going to be 10.5. So minus 10.5, and then minus 6. And we're going to get the same answer as well. So yeah, there's two different ways to kind of do this one. But yeah, that's how this one goes down. This is not GRE. You wish. This is way too easy for GRE. Yeah, exactly. How do we know that's 3? How this is 3? Because it's a rectangle, and if this side length is 3, then this side length is 3. So yeah, dude, get that brain big, Tejas. Get that big brain, bro. So yeah, you guys absolutely crushed that. Dudes, really, really, really nice job today, bros. Really, really nice job. Let me actually, yeah. All right, the height was 9 in that triangle. How did I know? The height wasn't 9, the height's 3. So the definition of the height of a triangle is from the base to a tip, making a 90-degree angle with the base. And normal triangles, it's really easy because it's inside the triangle. But what if you have a triangle like the one we just had? Oh, that's horrible. What if we have a triangle like the one we just had, where the tip is outside of the base? Well, you still have to make a 90-degree angle with the base, but you just have to quote quote extend the base. So that's what this is. The base is 3, the height is 3, and so it'll be 1/2 of 9. 1/2 base times height. Yeah, I know this ain't the. I know this is not the height music. I know, Poke. I would never lie to you. But here, I got you. Don't even trip. This shout out to Pokar for this one. You're my inspiration. All right, bros. That is the stream. Thanks for hanging out. You guys are going to do great on the test this weekend if you keep studying, keep grinding. Guys, check out my website. DeepMind is really sick. It's a game on my website, so check it out. I'll write it in here. But all right, dudes, I'll be back tomorrow, 6 p.m.